Today, I want to talk about how we can prove that a set is a subset of another set. So the best way to do that is with an example. And we're going to be sticking with a very basic example today. So here we have our proposition. It is the case that this set is a subset of this set. So this means that n is inside the integers, right? Meaning n can be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And then 12 divides n is what this means, okay? This line right here means divides. 12 divides n. And what that means is if you divide n by 12, the result will be an integer, right? Then over here, we have that same thing where n is inside the integers, but this time 3 divides n, okay? So to start off our proof, we're going to assume x is inside this set right here. X is inside, and x is just some arbitrary value. What we want to show is if we take some arbitrary value, and we can show that that implies basically what we want to show is if this arbitrary value being inside this set implies that that arbitrary value is also in this set, then we've shown that this set is a subset of that set. Okay? So that x is inside and is inside of the integers divides n, right? Now, this means that x is also inside the integers and x equals 12 times some integer k. So we can write k is also inside the integers, right? Because essentially, basically what this means is if obviously, right, if a divides b, which equals c, right, then we can say a equals bc, right? We're essentially doing the same thing here for x equals 12k, okay? Then what we want to do from here, right, is we're going to work with this part, okay? Then we can also say that x equals, then x equals 3 times 4k, okay? Now, since k is inside the integers, since k is inside this, then 4k is also inside the integers. All right, then from here, by the definition of divisibility, we can then say that 3 divides x, right? And showing this, right, showing then that 3 divides x, right, shows that this is in fact a subset of that, right? Because we have shown from here that when we assume this, right, when we assume x is inside this set, right, that implies x is in fact divisible by 3. And when x is divisible by 3 and x is also in the integers, that means it's also in this set, right? Therefore, this is a subset of this set. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if I said anything wrong or if you have anything additional to add. Have a great day.